Hello everyone and welcome to Healthy Heart Week. Today we are going to be doing a cardio and core strength workout. We're going to be doing it Tabata style, so it's going to be intervals of 20 seconds on, 10 seconds off, and we're going to do each exercise 3 times. You don't need to have any equipment with you, but it could be helpful to have a single weight or a water bottle, anything that you can use for a couple of the exercises. And if you're someone who needs additional support with balance, you may want to have a chair or a wall to hold onto. And with all of that, we'll go ahead and get started on our warm-up. First exercise, we're going to start with a lunge twist. So you'll step out and twist in towards the knee that's bent, step back, twist into the other side. Let's go. Let's get started first with our lunge twist. Water bottle to hold with you, you can get that. If not, just keep going with just your arm. One is more of a cardio exercise, but you still want to be making sure that you're controlling your core and squeezing it in as you tap towards your ankles. If you can't reach that far and you need a modification, you can tap towards your knees. We're doing a plank up. 1, 2, 3, 4, down. Plank up. 1, 2, 3, 4, down. To modify this, if you need to stay standing up, you can hold on to something for balance. Go 1, 2, 3, 4. Next exercise, if you need to stay standing up, you can flap under. Or go here. Knee tuck.